Music and books should always be there in people's lives.
When you have them both under the same roof, that's even cooler.
9 years ago, after losing her job at Borders Books, Lisa and Dave Taylor decided to invest in their future and their hometown of Mount Clemens with a decidedly old-school retro shop.
What if we opened a used bookstore in our hometown?
Combining her love of books with her husband Dave's love of music.
If you want to come here and find the nostalgia, want to be a collector, you come to stores like this.
It's like a treasure chest to me.
Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Weirdsville Records Radio.
The Paperback Writer and Weirdsville Record Store also includes an open-to-the-public, all-vinyl internet radio station.
You can come on in, sign up, and do a show. I show you how to run it.
It's part of Dave's vision of creating a business that can attract customers to downtown Mount Clemens.
Every town needs its own coolness, I guess, you know? And having a record store, to me, does that.
The Taylor's 2,900 square foot store is part of a community of downtown shops and businesses that share the challenges of attracting visitors.
We always look at how we can benefit each other, how to share the business.
Unfortunately, Mount Clemens hasn't rebounded like we would hope after the recession.
Mayor Laura Kropp has been working to change that.
So that we increase the food scene here in downtown Mount Clemens, the culture, the entertainment.
She also believes that Mount Clemens is a strong contender to win an HGTV contest called Hometown Takeover.
Tell us here in the comments why we should come to your town.
A show that would give the entire winning town a freshening up. The mayor believes that Mount Clemens' size, housing stock, and history match well with HGTV's makeover criteria.
I think winning or bringing HGTV to Mount Clemens would really jumpstart the revitalization that we're hoping to bring to Mount Clemens.
A revitalization that business owners feel is on the way with or without winning the contest.
You know, we still got things to do, but it'll happen.
Let's find our new identity. Let's find out who we are now.